Hi friends, welcome back to your favorite channel, Trading Technicals. We have seen some option videos last week, and last 3 weeks I think we were working on the options. I think some of the things would have been clear on the options front, and I think you would have liked those videos, and it would have helped you in some or other way in your trading on a daily basis. Now, today I thought I will share you something which is a good learning. It is going to help you in the way you analyze certain charts, and we can also identify some of the you know the volumes or the levels where there is a kind of good buying with a volume which is happening. So today's my indicator for the day is something called anchored VWAP. Okay. Uh, I'm not promoting any website or anything here. Okay. But this particular thing as of now is available on TradingView. If you know any other website which is available with this indicator, you can always use it. Okay. Uh, this is a free version, so this is completely free. I'm not asking for any paid versions or anything here. Okay, so you can use it free of cost. There is no charges for this. Okay, so how do we actually use anchored VWAP? This is something which is what we will try to learn. Okay, now if you see this chart of TCS. Okay, now we have been seeing some of the levels where the TCS is coming and then just respecting those levels and moving up from that particular level. Okay, now you look at this particular level here. Okay, this level, if you see, look at this level. Okay, look at this level. Okay, there was a sudden reversal from these points. Okay, TCS was falling drastically here. Okay, but something happened here at this particular juncture and it has taken a support. Now why it has taken a support? Okay, why at this price this has taken a support? This is what we need to understand from this. Okay, now if you see certain points, if we analyze and see. Okay, now if you go and see this particular chart. Okay, okay, this is a 1 day chart. Okay, there was a dip at this particular point. Okay, this was a dip, and then it has kind of taken a top here. Okay, the second top was here, there was another dip here. Okay, and this is kind of reaching. So if you see, it is going in a trend. Okay, it's an upward trend which is continuing. Okay, so we have an indicator here. Okay, in this particular place. Okay, this is called anchored VWAP. Okay, now I have kept it here. Okay, for my easy access. If you start it, it will come on this particular dashboard so that we can use it anytime. Okay, now what I'm doing is I'm just putting this particular, I'm just clicking on this and I'm just connecting at this particular point. Okay, it will automatically plot the anchor VWAP. Okay, basis on this particular day. Okay, now this was a dip which has come. Okay, so what was the volume which was traded and what was the price action at this particular point? Okay, volume weighted average price which has been considered from this point. Okay, and if you see, once it has taken a support when it has fallen at this particular juncture also. If you see, once it has kind of crossed this particular level, it has tried to take the support at this particular levels. Okay, and then what we do is we mark another VWAP here. Okay, then we see another support which has been built up. Okay, so the price basically around this VWAP only, it is consolidating and it is not going further down. So that is confirming the downtrend is not here in this particular juncture here. Okay, then the third one is at this particular point. Okay, the price at this point was, this was a shorting opportunity because the price remained below the VWAP. Okay, once it has crossed at this particular juncture, okay, the price has moved drastically. Now if you look at all these dots, if you connect it, okay, you will suddenly see a good trend, a good uptrend which has been forming. Okay, on the basis of VWAP as well. Okay, so this is an anchored VWAP which is moving on the upward direction, and we can continuously mark these levels and use these levels for our as a support and resistance of it. Now what we do, okay, now say if we are trading in a intraday, okay, now certain moves in intraday, okay, can also be used for this particular anchored VWAP. Okay, so if you see here, the price remained above this particular thing, okay, and if you look at this particular place, okay, it has, once it has come down, the profit booking has started basically at this point, and then it has fallen this point. But once it has moved from this level again, okay, look at this, how the support and resistance have worked on these particular locations. Okay, so once we mark these particular levels, we know what are the critical levels we can use this for, and how do we kind of trade those levels. Okay, now look at these levels. Now here, if you see the price action, it is clearly trying to take the support at this particular price. Okay, the closing price is not going below this particular price. Okay, so this is what we can use it. Okay, one downtrend which is started on this particular 31st, probably if you would have shorted also in under below this VWAP, it would have still given you good money. Okay, it has opened above this particular VWAP here, and it has given you a good movement upwards. Okay, so what you can do is either you can mark it on the everyday's levels. Okay, so if it is above the VWAP, we can always go for the buy. Okay, it is below the VWAP, we can always go for selling. Now the important point is, where do we mark this? Okay, so you can mark depending on your strategies. Okay, any swing highs or swing lows, like here. Okay, we had a swing low at this point. Okay, now we have another swing low. Okay, we can have another swing high here. Okay, and those are the things which we can use it. This can also accompany with your normal VWAP, which you can continue to use it. However, this particular thing is going to help you to kind of ascertain some support and resistance levels. Okay, now this zone becomes, for these particular places, if you look at this zone, the zone becomes a very critical. Now you would say this is a pretty a big zone. However, if I'm using any positional trades or anything here, it would help me to take certain decisions basis on this particular zone. Okay, this could be a buying zone for lots of big players, and lots of institutions actually use this particular VWAP settings. Okay, so we can always use the settings and always use this particular indicator wherever we can. Okay, and now you look at here. Okay, this is kind of taking a support at this particular place. Probably your sell would have hit. Okay, because this was a sideways zone. It was a consolidation market. Okay, and then again here also it goes up, it comes back. Okay, so this particular zone was a completely consolidation zone, or you can call it as. Okay, but once probably almost till this particular place, there was a consolidation which was happening, and post that this is given a breakout. Okay, so once the breakout is done, we can always see. So this consolidation zone, once it is broken, okay, we can always see, once this consolidation zone is gone, then this particular consolidation zone is actually taking a support. Okay, and then it is moving up. So we can see, we will not short till this below point, and we will not buy above below this point. So basically we will wait for the breakouts. Anytime the price is coming this area, we can always be a buyer, and whenever the price come to this area, we can always be a seller. Okay, and then we can continue using this particular zone as our VWAP thing. And if you see the zone, this is actually helping us to move the levels as per our requirements. Okay, so you see this particular zone also again has worked out as a support and resistance thing for us. Okay, now look at this, how this VWAP works. Okay, so basically the bottom which I have planted here, if you see, the price has not closed below this particular thing. Okay, it has touched this low levels, but it has sustained above this. So anything which is above this particular level, or here also if you mark it, okay, this was a swing low somewhere. Okay, if you see this particular place, every time the price comes to this particular zone, it takes the support and it moves up. Okay, so this is how we use anchored VWAP. Okay, this would help you in deciding certain levels for your trading, and certain critical levels where the lots of buying and selling has taken a place. Okay, so I hope you like this video. I hope this will help you add some value to your trading. Okay, some analysis which you do as a part of homework, and it will help you in a longer run, because lots of times we just take certain trades without knowing where the institutions are buying or whatever it is. So whenever there is a high volume, high things which are getting traded, definitely this VWAP thing always helps you. Okay, so do share this video, do like this video, share your comments below in this description. uh, Anything else, guys, let me know on the Telegram channel. We will connect there. Thank you, guys.